Hello everyone, my name is Deepika and we are Data Train. So we are back again with more information regarding Data Train undergraduate programs. And in today's video, we will discuss all about DTUPE, Data Train undergraduate program in engineering. So without any delay, let's get started. The world of IT had expanded tremendously in the past years and continues to grow as we speak. The onset of new technologies and the increasing demand of innovation makes the IT sector the biggest employer of today. Talking about the impact on Indian economy, it boasts of 3.5 million jobs since 2001, 6 lakh jobs in the last 3 years and an additional 2.5 to 3 million jobs by 2025. I'm sure you are wondering if these job roles are only for students with engineering or IT background. Well, presenting the DTUPE program by Data Train, where you can make a career for yourself in the IT industry without having an academic background in technology. With the DTUPE program, Data Train has opened doors for lakhs and lakhs of students from non-technical backgrounds such as commerce, arts or science to create a successful career in this ever-growing and evolving industry. The DTUPE program enables the non-technical student to build a career in 3 years that an engineer student would do in 4 years. This makes the DTUPE the one-of-a-kind program that provides a dual qualification to students and enables them to pursue this course parallelly with their college studies. Now, how does the DTUPE program work? This program is divided into 2 parts. The first part of the program is the learning semesters, wherein students cover 7 terms by learning IT concepts along with 3 years of graduation studies. The DTUPE program starts from the very basics of programming and step by step takes you through all the processes of web and mobile app development. Our well-structured curriculum and batch timings match the college schedule like break between terms and alternate day classes. This helps students manage learning at DTUPE along with college. All these together prepare students for part 2 of the program. The second part of the program is the 1-year paid internship, which is done post your graduation at the company site provided by Data Train. Paid internship is one of the key features of this amazing program. This is done in the organization under mentored environment. Our assured 1-year professional practice post your graduation will give you an opportunity to implement all that you have learned in the real world. Moreover, the DTUP program is an earn while you learn program that gives you a chance to self-fund your course owing to its paid professional practice. The successful completion of the DTUPE program ensure you are ready for the IT industry with over 900 leading organizations recruited from us. Data Train extends placement support to you, ensuring you get the job role of your choice. Let's take a sneak peek at what the course has to offer. The DTUPE is a dual qualification program that aims at building a strong foundation for the students from all academic backgrounds. The expert faculty and talented practitioners guide the students to be up to date with the industry. 1-year paid professional practice is the key feature of this program. Flexible batch timings and breaks for college examinations make it easy to manage the college along with DTUP studies. So wait, no more, become future ready and enroll now to create an edge for yourself in the IT industry with the Data Train's DTUPE program. That's all for now. If you have any doubt regarding this Data Train undergraduate program, then do comment and let us know. Till then, keep skilling and keep growing.